Hello friends, let's watch this video to understand the concept of creep and the stages of creep, or we can say the creep curve. So to understand the concept of a creep, just I take one example. Here is a picture of a old house whose roof and beams are made up of wood. Now, what happens in this case? जैसे सब time बीतता है, what happens? That deformation will takes place, right? It will start collapsing, and this is due to its constant load, which acts on the beam, right? Now, जैसे यहाँ भी हमको देख रहे हैं कि रूफ का ये जो अगर बीम्स देखेंगे या यहाँ भी आपको बीम्स दिख रहे हैं, so ultimately the constant loads get act, and due to that reason the deformation takes place, and that's why I say that the concept of crease is the slow deformation under the constant load. So let's see and one more example here. Now in this picture you can see the high tension electric wire. Now over a span of time, जैसा 4 साल हो गए, 5 साल हो गए, then what happens? The wire will start sagging, loose होना चालू हो जाता है. What is the reason behind that? Because of their constant weight that act continuously, which explain ultimately the concept of the creep. Right now, so what is that creep? We can see here, thus a creep is defined as a slow and progressive deformation of a material with time under constant stress, or I can say the constant load. तो समय के साथ deformation होना चालू हो जाता है. Now one more example I'll show you which clear your concept. Now in this picture I had taken example of boiler. In boiler, now the heat will be there. In previous two examples, in that case I had not taken the example of heat, but the concept of creep is also related to the constant load as well as the temperature. Now in this boiler also we can see that there is a self load of the tank or the boiler, also the weight of the water, and even we can see the railings here, so that weight will act. So what happens? Slowly the creep will takes place due to the high temperature, and also it start deforming right now. So what we say in this case, thus creep is defined as a slow and progressive deformation of a material with respect to the time under the constant load and high temperature. So what we have added here, the temperature is also one of the parameter of the creep. Now let's see the stages of the creep. Now to understand the stages of the creep, you have to plot the graph between the strain versus time. And we know that strain is nothing but the deformation of a component with respect to the load, or even I can say with respect to the time also. Now, let's see first the stage one. Now, which is also called as a primary creep, which is shown by a B on the curve. Suppose just consider a period of 1 year. Now, what happens? The slope of the curve start increasing from A to B progressively with respect to the time. तो एक साल में हमने देखा है कि यहाँ slowly or progressively deformation has been taken place with respect to the time. Now, suppose this is how the deformation which I am showing through the animation. Now, let's go for the stage 2. Now, what happened in this stage 2? Again, if I take a period of 5 years, which is a long period, And here also a very small amount of creep is takes place. You can see from this diagram, a very small amount of creep is there, almost I can say the constant. But the question arises, why minimum creep rate takes place within this 5 year, right? No, so for that, to understand this, just take one piece, metal piece, and just we are start applying the load on that, and also the temperature. So what happens here, ultimately the internal stresses will increase due to the temperature, and due to that reason work hardening of that component takes place. So due to that reason we get a constant creep rate with a stipulated span time of 5 years. या जस्ट हम ये भी बोल सकते हैं जैसा हमारा हार्डनिंग हम करते हैं, है ना? तो एक पर्टिकुलर पीरियड में हार्डनिंग विल टेक्स प्लेस, एंड ड्यू टू दैट रीजन the within this span the creep will not take place, means almost a constant or a small amount of creep will takes place. Now let's go for the stage 3 here. Now this stage is also called as a tertiary creep. Now in this stage, if you observe that there is a sudden change, you can see here there is a sudden change in the strain, and finally the result into the fracture at point D. So here also I am just showing the animations. तो जैसे strain यहाँ काफी बढ़ रहा है समय के साथ, so within a short span of time, just I am taking the example here as a 1 year, तो एक साल या उससे कम, suddenly the fracture will takes place. Finally हमको creep को बचाना है. So by making the changes in the size of the component and the load applied, we can increase the lifespan of the component. So thank you, friends.